Alright, you guys, we're not wasting no time. We're getting straight into this video. The first thing I just go ahead and do is I just make sure I part my wig in the middle so I know I'm laying my lace down on my head evenly. But as you guys can tell right here, I went ahead and lay it without cutting my excess lace off. And I had trouble at first cutting my excess lace, so that's why I glued it down before. That's why y'all gonna see like that little white tacky stuff in the lace. Don't come for me, okay? I'm new to installing wigs, so don't come for me. But anywho, I posted videos and pictures on this wig unit right here, and you guys really loved it. So I hope you guys continue watching this video until the end. Make sure y'all like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl channel for all the goodies, you feel me? So back to the video. You're gonna want to wipe your biggest forehead that I have right here with some alcohol, and then after you wipe it with some alcohol, you're gonna put some gotta be free spray or glue, gel, whatever you guys use. Dry it until it get tacky. Do not lay your lace without drying your glue or your free spray, because it's not gonna stay, okay? It's not gonna stay. So make sure y'all dry it tacky, and then after you guys dry it tacky, you know, just pat it down or do whatever you do to make it stick. But for me, I just use a comb and then press and try to like pull all the baby hairs out of the little way, because they be getting stuck sometimes and I be struggling just to take them shit out. Like, it be annoying. Like, it really be annoying. For more security, so your lace could be nicely glued onto your head, you guys gonna want to take a scarf or a head wrap and just tie it down. Right here, you guys, I went ahead and I cut my lace off camera because I had trouble doing that, but I'm just cleaning off the excess glue that was on my lace that seeped through into my forehead. So now I'm just doing a side part because I like side parts better. I feel like it look more, you know, I look more mature with side parts instead of middle parts. So now onto the baby hairs. No funny, you guys, I deadass be giving y'all the real and raw version of me doing my hair, because if I were to cut out certain parts, I would be jumping all over in this video. But with these baby hairs, you guys, it was really a struggle for me. I keep going back to certain ones because I just didn't like how they look, because I like to do my baby hairs a certain way, even though I'm learning how to do baby hairs with like wigs and stuff. But with my natural hair, with my baby hairs, I like to do them a certain way, so I kind of like do them how I'm doing my natural hair. So y'all gonna see me keep going back to certain ones just to like fix it, because I like it a certain way. And I'm giving y'all the real authentic version of me doing my hair. This is not no fake fool cut up chop up shit. This is the real authentic version. So now after you guys finish style and slay your baby hairs, you're gonna want to take this block, I forgot what you guys call it, I forgot what they call this, but you guys gonna want to lay your baby hairs with this, and then you're gonna want to take a blow dryer and blow dry it as well, so that way the process can move faster. I'm being real lazy in this whole video, so I blow dry it to go faster. Then I'm gonna go ahead with my Chic Sleek Infusion oil. This oil leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, silky, smooth, all of that good stuff. Like, I really love this oil. I've seen so many reviews and recommendation about this oil, and I was like, you know what, let me just get this. That I couldn't get these curls, because I was like, oh my god, I can't get these curls, because one, I'm just trying to like you feel me, do it on camera, and then it's like I can't really get the curls because I'm focusing on the fact that I really want it to come out, you know. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about, like struggles of these curls. Like this is there are some curl in it, like, and it's doing the job for me, you know. Some people might say I'm doing it wrong or whatever, but it's still curled though. So I'm gonna just get back to you guys when I finish call this, because right now it's hot. I'm getting agitated, I'm getting frustrated, so. Alright you guys, so right here I'm just taking my hold and flex spray just to like spray down my flyaways by my part so my part can look more defined and all that good stuff. So after I sprayed, I went in with my hot comb and hot comb my hair back. You guys can use got to be glue, I mean free spray, that's what I use. But y'all, this part right here killed the living shit out of me, like it really did. This is why I don't really like hot combs or flat irons or anything like that. I use got to be spray, and I use the hold and flex spray as well, just to like hold on that section right there, because I feel like it gave it more of a like a, you know, sexy look to me or whatever. That's just something I do with my hair when I do my hair or whatever. So now I'm just going in and just white tooth combing out my curls and all the good stuff. And this part right here is not necessary because I had a darker wig cap underneath my wig and it just wasn't necessary, but I just wanted to do it just to define the part and whatever. So yeah, this is the end of the video. So I hope you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl channel, make sure y'all share this video with your friends, to tell our friends to come subscribe to my channel and watch this video. Watch me slay this ginger spice hair or whatever you guys want me to call it. I really like this hair. I thought it wasn't gonna go to my skin color, I wasn't gonna pull it off, but I dead slayed and I killed y'all hoes. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.